Just look at how lovely it is. It is hard to believe that such a beautiful decoration can be made from simple materials like wool, wire, and a small piece of cloth. This proves that creativity is not about expensive supplies. It is about imagination, patience, and enjoying the process of making something with your own hands. There are so many ways you can use this handmade wool swan. You can decorate your home, your living room, your bedroom, or your study table. It also looks beautiful in classrooms, school exhibitions, and art competitions. If you enjoy making handmade gifts, this swan is a wonderful gift for your parents, friends, teachers, or loved ones. Handmade gifts always have a special value because they are made with love and care. One of the greatest benefits of art and craft is that it helps us relax. Taking a little time to create something with our hands helps reduce stress and brings happiness. Crafting also improves patience, concentration, creativity, and confidence.